Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Circuits of Value token. Ticker symbol is Coval, C-O-V-A-L. You can find this token listed on CoinMarketCap. Today it's down 1%, which is, hardly anything. The other day I saw it though in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap. That's where it caught my eye. Token price is sitting at about 1 penny per token right now. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Circuits of Value token. So, ticker symbol COVAL. Like I said, you can find this on CoinMarketCap. This is a cross-chain token, so they have an Etherscan and a BSC scan, meaning that most likely you can get this token off of Uniswap and PancakeSwap. So I see Uniswap transactions there on their Etherscan. Their Etherscan says they have 6,216 holders, 129,000 transfers, 8 decimal places, and a max total supply of a little bit over 1.7 billion tokens. And they have a lot of links on their Etherscan here. They have their webpage, contact email, Medium articles, Facebook, Twitter, GitHub, Telegram, full white paper, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. So they're listed on CoinGecko as well. And all sorts of stuff on there. So let's check their BSC scan now. So on CoinMarketCap, you could also find their BSC scan. On there it says they have 1,085 addresses, 5,135 transfers, 8 decimal places, and a little bit over 1.7 million tokens total supply. And there is PancakeSwap transactions on here. So you can get this token either off of PancakeSwap or Uniswap if you want to get it in a decentralized manner. Now it's listed on a whole bunch of exchanges on here. QuickSwap, Gate.io, BKEX, ZT, Coinbase Exchange, whole bunch of them. The best exchange on here where you can get this token is CoinEx, in my opinion. So if you don't have a CoinEx account, CoinEx I really like just because it's so easy to use and there's so many coins and tokens on there, and they have like super low fees compared to a lot of other exchanges. Like, sometimes when you transfer tokens out of an exchange, like just say Algorand, they're going to charge you a couple Algorand, right? Like I tried transferring CoinEx, Algorand on CoinEx to a different exchange, and it charged me like 0.1 Algorand. Like it charges you hardly anything for withdrawing tokens on there, and it's just way lower fees on there compared to everywhere else. And that's why I really like CoinEx. If you don't have a CoinEx account, I do have a CoinEx referral code in there in the description box down there, so you're welcome to use that if you like. You would just go right through that CoinEx referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Coval, C-O-V-A-L, and then simply just buy the token. That's the easiest way, in my opinion, how to do it, and super low fees on CoinEx. Lots of cool features on CoinEx as well. On CoinMarketCap, you can also find their Bitcoin Talk, Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, website, which is circuitsofvalue.com. If you go over there, it says discover, buy, and sell NFTs across blockchains. Trade your NFTs from Bitcoin, Namecoin, and many other blockchains across marketplaces. So that's what this project is all about. Looks like their company name is called Emblem, and they also have an Emblem web page too as well if you want to check that out. That is emblem.pro. So that's who they're in cahoots with there. So they have, it says control NFTs across blockchains without a bridge. Your NFTs inside an Ethereum NFT. Emblem's Vault proprietary technology temporarily locks your NFTs from a compatible blockchain inside a modern ERC-721 Ethereum NFT. Trade historical NFTs from any blockchain like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Namecoin, and more. Trade with Emblem Vault today. And you can click on that if you want to. You can trade NFTs from any EVM-based blockchain, Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, Tezos, and more. Unlock your NFTs to its original blockchain at any time and sell to creators on Ethereum marketplaces. So, yeah, definitely a lot of utility here for NFT buyers and sellers here. Emblem Market Power. So it's got access to liquidity markets. Find liquidity for your NFTs in the most liquid NFT markets in the world. It's got curated collections. Historical NFTs and artist curation make collector discovery clear and simple. Historical NFT visibility. Showcase and use non-Ethereum compatible NFTs across marketplaces, metaverse, dApps, and gaming applications, and trade across blockchains. Future utility enables you to trade your assets across multiple blockchains in their native token. And royalty support. So artists and historical NFT collections empowered royalties. And you can launch the Emblem app here right from circuitsofvalue.com. How Emblem Vault works? Well, you can lock your NFTs, securely place your non-Ethereum NFT in Emblem markets, ERC-721 NFTs, then list your NFTs, offer your NFT for sale on Ethereum-based marketplaces, and then unlock your NFT. Return your NFT to its native blockchain at any time you like. You can join the community, learn more about the project, interact with the team, and take part in shaping the future of the Emblem Vault by joining their Telegram or their Twitter. Now, and even on the bottom of the page, there's contact info. You can launch the app, legal stuff, all that stuff is on here. So their Twitter is at Circuits of Value, 547 tweets. 14,500 Twitter followers. They are followed by CoinEx Global. And it says Coval is a tradable crypto token and platform for movable value. And their pinned tweet here says so many things to update everyone on. Jam-packed edition swaps, rare Pepes, and more decentralization. So they're promoting some cool NFTs. They got lots of Medium articles you could check out. And, very active on their Twitters. Like they just tweeted here like a day ago, taking the new Emblem Vault talking to the new Emblem Vault team members. So they do like kind of like Ask Me Anythings, like conversations here that you can find on Twitter. You can play the recording, things like that. And they're getting new listings here, like on Coin Metro. They just got a new listing here, so they're retweeting that. They're all sorts of cool stuff. So check this out. Circuits of Value token. You can find it on CoinMarketCap, and you can find it to buy on CoinEx. Check out that CoinEx referral code down there, all the other referral codes as well. And like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.